Where's that hecking on button? Oh, I found it! Let's play!
Hello, it's Luke here again with a Toy Box Thursday, and we have got a fire helicopter. Stephön's very excited. Whoop! So we are going to open up this little thing and see what it's got in there, and we're going to build it. We got tape. No, not the tape. I'm going to have to struggle again with the packaging. There we go. I struggle horribly with packaging every single time. It is ridiculous. There we go. So we've got a bag full of things, a bag full of little things, another bag full of things, a bag full of people pieces, and one instruction booklet. Skill level 3 blocks. This is going to be fun. Okay, so we are going to go to a time lapse because this is a long build. See ya in a bit. Boom. So we're back and we have finished building it. Yay! I have to lift up the thing because, you know, it's so big. It's huge, this thing. It's a fire helicopter. It's ginormous. It took me quite a while to build, like nearly half hour, 45 minutes even. This thing at the end didn't fit, so you could probably tell. If I get this to focus on that thing, that thing. Come on, you can do it. He's not going to do it, is he? No. Oh well. But anyhow, we have now got this fire helicopter, and Stephön, no, you cannot ride it. It's a fire helicopter. Ah! Sorry, I'll just have to lift up the tripod, and it's one of the grip ones where it just goes all over the place. But yeah. Meow. Hi, puppet duck. Meow. There we go. Such a cool little thing. Little? Huh, who knows? But it comes to that shill part of the video. Flop, flop, flop. Now it's time to lower down the hatch on this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And we shall see you next time. Good day and bye. Bye.